Microsoft is pleased to announce the Visual Studio Subscriptions Administration Portal for volume licensing customers. With this portal, you will be able to manage your organization's Visual Studio subscriptions, unlocking user benefits, software, services, and support to fuel your team's innovation. Once your super admin sets you up as an administrator, you'll receive an email inviting you to access the portal at manage.visualstudio.com and manage subscriptions. Click the link in the email. Use the email address indicated in that communication and sign in. Once you are in the portal, you'll see all the subscriptions that are under your organization that you are able to manage. Let's get started with the tour. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a drop-down that allows you to toggle between agreements if you're provisioned access to more than one agreement. Below that, you'll see a count of your licenses that shows available and used quantities to help you stay within your contract's requirement. The portal offers features of adding, editing, or removing individual users. Simply fill out the fields and click Add. If your organization is using Azure Active Directory, you can search for the user here and choose them from your organization's directory. Once you select the user, their name and sign-in email will automatically populate along with an alternate email in the notification email field if one exists in the directory. If your organization isn't using Azure Active Directory but has a different email for receiving emails, you have the option for entering it here. If you'd like your subscribers to have access to benefits aside from downloads, we've given you the option to remove access to downloads by switching the download toggle when assigning subscriptions. If you need to remove users, you can do so by highlighting the user of your choice and selecting Delete. Or to delete multiple users, you can select them by holding down the Control key on your keyboard as you select users. Once all are selected, you can delete them all in one click. If you need to upload multiple users, you can also perform a bulk upload. Simply select the bulk add icon, download the file and save it locally. Input the user information into the template and then upload the template. It's that easy. If you need to edit multiple users, it's just as simple as adding multiple users. Just click the bulk edit button. Export the list of users and make any necessary changes to your subscribers. Then, save it locally and upload the template to see the changes take place. Once you've assigned a subscription to a subscriber, they will receive an email inviting them to access their newly assigned subscription at my.visualstudio.com. Be sure to remind your subscribers to use the same email for sign-in that you used to assign the subscription. Other features of the portal include exporting and filtering subscriptions data. You can filter by any of the fields, including subscription level or download access. You can export by making your selections or filtering and selecting Export, which exports a list to Excel. Additional features include viewing and exporting usage reports. To access the reports, select the Maximum Usage button. This allows you to see the highest number of assigned subscriptions, broken down by level at a point in time. For example, this shows that within the last 12 months, on January 9th, you had the highest number of assigned Visual Studio Enterprise subscriptions at 127. For more details, you can export the report into Excel, which will show you how your subscription counts have changed throughout the full term of your agreement. It shows when you've assigned, removed, or purchased additional subscriptions. For example, this shows that you assigned 121 Visual Studio Enterprise subscriptions on January 8th, and on January 9th, you assigned 6 additional subscriptions for a total of 127. Having this level of visibility will help you remain in compliance with your agreement terms. If you have any issues, check out our admin webpage, aka.ms/vs-admin, or check out our docs, aka.ms/admin docs.